I mean, I hate to brag. Yay, it didn't go well. Give it a little shake.
Hold the shoulders over here.
It makes me feel fancy. Good morning everyone, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Oh, my dad's ringing me. Morning.
How are you?
Fine, how are you? Cool. Alright, bye. Good morning. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm just doing my skincare. I just did my IPL. I said recently that I've started IPLing my face again because your girl's beard is... it's impressive. It is something that a lot of the men in my life, I'm sure, are jealous of. I've started IPLing again in the hopes that it might help. I think so far it is. I've only been doing it for a couple of weeks and it takes like, you know, at least 4 weeks for you to really be able to tell a difference. I use the Kenzie IPL device, if you're wondering which one I use. I'm liking it. It doesn't hurt at all. I've used an IPL device in the past, but it was so big and cumbersome and it really worked, but it was big and it did hurt a little bit more than the Kenzie one. So I don't know whether it hurt more because it was more effective, because it definitely worked, so we'll find out. But today, just another worky day, guys. I have a huge to-do list today. I do really want to go to the gym, but I have a deadline this morning, so I need to focus on getting that done first. So if I go to the gym, it will be an evening session, but I don't know if I'm gonna go. We'll see. I'm very sleepy this morning. I also don't have any milk, so I can't have, I mean, I could have a black coffee, but I need to go to the shop. I want to film this, then go to the shop, so I just need to get through without caffeine just for a bit. I'm having my creatini. It's lime cordial and creatine. It makes me feel fancy. I gotta crack on. I gotta put some makeup on my face and then film this TikTok because this is a brand deal that I need to do. So I'll speak to you soon. Hi, do you remember a few vlogs back I talked about the brand Espresso that sent me all those products? I just tried them on. I did it for a TikTok, so that will be coming soon. This, I thought it was a clear gloss. It's a blush gloss. It changes colour. I put it on my cheeks and it turned pink and it is gorgeous. The brow gel, actually super nice. The mascara, I also really like, and I think of everything, this. The Dewy Latte Moisturiser and Glow Booster. Oh my god. This felt so good on my skin. Oh, look at that glow. I'm so impressed. I haven't spoken to you today because I spent the first half of the morning refilming a brand campaign that didn't get approved, so I had to refilm it. And then my dad rang me, so I got a message from my accountant and I had to do the boring shit that I hate doing. But I was already in a state of stress because I had this feedback from this brand that I had to do under a very tight turnaround, and I was really stressed. And then my dad told me to do something for my taxes and it didn't go well. Didn't go well up here, but I managed to get everything done, hopefully to the best of my ability. Fingers crossed, that's fine. What was supposed to be a day of filming all day actually turned into a very dull day indeed. But I managed to film this, and then hopefully I can just turn tomorrow into a filming day. Sometimes it just be like that. Sometimes you don't get what you want, you know? Anywho, I'm gonna sit down and edit this now. And I've finally caught up with Married at First Sight Australia. I'm now like watching it day by day, like I'm caught up. It's embarrassing how quickly I managed to do that. And I think tonight is the finale. And I feel like there is gonna be a massive void in my life when it's over, because it has been my viewing of choice, because I've been watching like 3 episodes a day. I've been watching one at like 7 AM and then 2 before bed every night. I'm obsessed with it and I'm not ready to say goodbye, but all good things must come to an end. Those are my hip hop and happening plans for today. Morning love, we are here again. I'm getting ready for my day. Lots of things to get done today, so I'm starting early. I posted last week's vlog last night. It ended up going up on Tuesday because YouTube wasn't letting me upload it on Monday. It was just having an absolute meltdown, so sorry it was up on Tuesday. It was meant to be, it was edited and ready to go on Monday. The YouTube gods had other things planned for me apparently. I'm not going to go on about it because obviously I spoke for the majority of the vlog about this last week. But I just wanted to say thank you for being so lovely in the comments, as you always are. And I think a lot of you were concerned that I was feeling that way then, like feeling guilty, etc. last week. The whole point of that little spiel was to say that I don't really feel that way anymore. It was a way that I used to feel all the time, and now I feel much more at peace with taking days slow. But thank you for giving me permission to, and for all your lovely messages. I'm feeling okay this week. I'm definitely not on my A game this week. I am still trying, and that's all you can do every day. Try your best. All you can do is try your best. I want to try and film a couple of TikToks and reels before I go to the gym with Scarlett. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining and it's clear skies. I can start filming now. This is why I love the spring and the summer, because in the winter I wouldn't be able to film until 11 because of the light, and that's normally when I go to the gym. So the fact that I can just get up and start getting ready and filming now is just the main reason that I love this time of year, honestly. Yeah, my first workout of the week. It's Wednesday. I haven't gone to the gym yet this week. I've just been honestly running around like a headless chicken for the past couple of days. I'm excited to just film content all day and go to the gym with Scar and just have a lovely day. So I'll take you with me, obviously, as I always do. Yeah, let's smash it, babes. Let's smash it. I'm excited to use this again. The Dewy Latte Moisturising Glow Booster. It is, oh my god, such a delight to use. It's just like the most amazing, radiant, oh, I can't describe it. It just feels amazing on your skin. So glad this has come into my life. I can see myself using this a lot. Oh, it's just so nice. Like an actual drink of water for my skin. No time to chat. No time to chat.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be living your life through a lens, perfect pretending. You think no one can tell, but everything's just fake. Now you're becoming the person you once hated. You also used to say that. I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it,
I've got an appointment I need to scurry off to, but before I go for the drive, I'm gonna make myself a protein coffee and I'm gonna make an experiment. I wanna try and make an iced peppermint mocha because I just got this new protein powder. It was their limited edition Christmas one. Select protein peppermint bark, so it's white chocolate peppermint. I also picked up white chocolate hazelnut flavor as well. Believe it or not, as the girl who has an abundance of protein powder, since I've been taking protein regularly again, I've actually started to run out of protein, which I never thought I'd see the day. So I always feel like I have loads of protein and then one day it just runs out and they all run out at the same time. So I did a little restock and I thought I'd give it a go. So let me just get some coffee. So I've just put a teaspoon of instant coffee and some water. Pop in a few ice cubes. And then that smells really nice actually. Oh, I'm excited. I hope it's good. The scoop is buried. The dreaded berry. Luckily, I always have spare scoops laying around. One scoop. Give it a little shake. Whew. I am gonna add a little bit of milk just to like make it a bit creamier. Oh no, chaos. Chaos has ensued. Just a little bit. This is a very sweet protein powder, even for me. And we all know I've got a sweet tooth like no one else. Put it in my travel cup. Will you fit? The whole thing doesn't fit. That's okay. One last cube of ice. Plop. I need to refill you. The rest I'll put in the fridge for later. That's it. A little on the road car drink. Okay, I will see you guys in an hour or so. I'm having such a productive day. I'm having a great day. I hope you're having a lovely Friday or a lovely weekend. Obviously you're watching this on Sunday, but I'm feeling good. Yay. Chantel, not now. What a glorious afternoon. I have my teeth whitening strips in. I just had a shower. I've done my hair. My VATs are done. I'm feeling good. I'm going to Arms's tonight. We're going to the gym tonight. Crazy bank holiday weekend. And we're going tomorrow and the next day together. Because that is romance, apparently. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. It'll be nice. I actually really like training with him, even though I want to throttle him most of the time. It's such a beautiful evening. It is, I mean, it's not. It's 20 to 4, but it is so warm. And I just went downstairs. And I always talk about my dungeon bedroom. I hate my bedroom because there's no natural light down there. And it's the most depressing thing ever. It genuinely really, like, I don't like spending time in my bedroom. I need light, like a lot of light. So it's great for sleeping, but during the day, I spend literally no time down there. And I just went downstairs, obviously I had my shower, and I went down there to like put my comfies on. There was a beam of sunlight in my bedroom. That is the first time I have ever seen direct sunlight in my bedroom ever. I've lived here for 4 years. Mind you, it was literally like a slither, like a tiny little bit. Clearly the sun was just in the right place before it went over all the buildings. There's buildings all around me, which is why there's no light down there. It's underground in basically like an alley, so there's no light in there. But I clearly caught it at the one time of day when it's really bright and sunny. I don't know if it was a reflection or whether it was direct light, but there was sun. I have a list because of my teeth whitening strip, sorry. There was sun in my bedroom. I mean, I hate to brag. I hate to brag. Oh, that's actually made my day. But anywho, I just need to post a little brand campaign. The campaign that I was shooting in last week's vlog or the week before, the Garnier campaign is going live this evening, so I'm just going to make sure that goes up okay, sort that out, and then I'm going to finish editing a video. I've got 3 videos filmed, 4 if you include the vlog. I've had a really productive little week. I feel good again. It's been another good week. SAD is a real thing, guys. It's a real thing.
Lonely times have seen my teardrops fall. Lonely hearts.
Good morning. It is Sunday morning. Good morning. I've just finished editing the vlog. Sorry, I'm whispering because Arms and his flatmate are both still asleep. I just finished editing the vlog. I'm obviously at Arms' house. So I trained with him on Friday. I trained with him yesterday and we just didn't really film any clips. So I'm gonna vlog a bit today. I'm in good stead to film throughout today as well, and I'll edit it in later on. So hello. Happy Sunday. It's bank holiday Monday tomorrow. It's another bank holiday. It's ridiculous. It's great, but we didn't do anything. We haven't really done anything this bank holiday. We've just chilled out, watched a lot of TV, gone to the gym. But I think I'm gonna go home today and spend bank holiday Monday working and just getting ahead for the week before emails come and stuff like that. But yeah, I just woke up at like 6 and couldn't go back to sleep. But we're going to the gym in like 3 hours. So I have 3 hours to chill. I'm so sleepy.
How do you know when to let go of a dream? Nothing worth nothing don't ever come easy. And if it's love, we'll do all we can do. 10,000 years, when all of this is gone, we'll come back as something new. If you are a stone in a valley of green, I will be a river to come meet you. But for now I'll sit with my memory of a love that I once knew. And time's gone by when you were mine, my lonely dream come true. And time's gone by when you were mine, my lonely dream come true.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour.
YouTube. Look at the doubts.
It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Fold the shoulders over here.